इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. I hope you all are doing well. It's been a long time since I shared a routine video and many of you were asking for it. So today I'm sharing my Sunday routine with you all. As I've told you before, Saturdays are usually relaxing for me because my video goes live that day. But Sundays are busy with lots of household work that we usually get time to do only on weekends. This morning I went for a walk, came back and got ready. My son had football class, so he has already left for that. Now I'm just starting my normal routine work. Sunday also means laundry day. Before going for my walk, I had put one load of laundry in, which has finished washing. I am now putting these washed clothes in the dryer to dry. And by the time these clothes dry, the second load of laundry will be ready after washing in the washing machine. Bangalore's weather is very cold these days with daily rainfall. If you put clothes out to dry normally, they don't dry for 3 to 4 days. For this weather, a tumble dryer is a great help. Today is a working day for my husband, so he'll be leaving for work shortly. Since he has to go to work, I can't make anything too heavy for breakfast. So I'm making vegetable mini uttapams with peanut chutney. For the uttapams, I roughly chopped capsicum, carrot and onion and then finally chopped them using a vegetable chopper. I'm using my multi-snack pan, which is perfect for making small uttapams, pancakes and fried eggs. I've been using it for a long time and the quality is really good. I had prepared the peanut chutney the night before and kept it ready. And our breakfast is ready. This is a good filling and tasty breakfast option. After having breakfast, my husband also left for work. Now I will finish my pending household work. Some people had commented on my last Sunday routine video and reel that if we work on Sundays too, then what's the point of Sunday? Sunday is meant for taking a break. And I completely agree with you. Every day should have at least one day to relax, spend time with family, or simply do nothing. My day off depends on my husband's off day. Often he works on Saturdays and Sundays and has weekdays off. So whichever day he has off, I also take a break from work that day. Since I am self-employed and work from home, I can easily adjust my off day according to my family. Due to this, sometimes Saturday and Sunday become my working days. Anyways, today is not really a working day, but yes, I do have a few household chores to finish. For a long time, I was planning to buy new top covers for my washing machine, dryer and dishwasher. The old ones had become quite dirty. I had even shortlisted a few on Amazon. One printed option was around 400 rupees to 500. Then I thought, why not make the covers at home this time? I have the machine at home anyway, and I should take some advantage of the little stitching I have learned. I had a very light quilt lying around that I don't use because it's made of synthetic mixed material. But it has a beautiful print, and since it's quilted with foam inside and has stitching all over, it's quite thick, perfect for making covers. So I took the measurements of all three machines and cut the fabric accordingly. There wasn't much to do. Since the front edge was already folded, I only had to fold and stitch the other three sides. These days, I find stitching very therapeutic, and creating something new always makes me happy. The top covers turned out really well. And I also made one more cover for my wet grinder. Since the grinder is not used daily, keeping it covered helps protect it from dust. All the covers fit perfectly and look very nice. The wet grinder cover especially fits snugly. I still have half the fabric left, so I will make similar covers for my bread maker and air fryer too. This doher costed me only about Rs 400 on Meesho, and I managed to make so many covers out of it. Sometimes doing DIY projects brings a special kind of joy.
So ये वाला जो कुर्ता सेट है ये मैंने बनाया है खुद से स्टिच करके। एक महीने पहले बनाया था जब मैं स्ट्रेट कुर्ता सेट सीख रही थी। अभी आजकल मैं अनारकली बना रही हूँ, तो आपको जल्दी दिखाऊंगी कि वो कैसा बना है। मेरा कोर्स अभी 3 मंथ्स का ही मैंने लिया था, तो वो ख़त्म होने वाला है। देखते हैं तब तक मैं क्या क्या सीख लेती हूँ। सोच रही हूँ कि फिर दिवाली के बाद मैं वापस से ज्वाइन करूँगी, क्योंकि अभी फेस्टिवल्स आने वाले हैं तो क्लासेस बहुत मिस हो जाएंगी, इसलिए फिर मैं दिवाली के बाद ज्वाइन करूँगी।
It's afternoon now and my son will be back soon from his football class. So I have come to the kitchen to prepare lunch. On Sundays, he loves to eat his favorites, either Shahi Paneer or crispy bhindi. Today I am making his favorite crispy bhindi along with dal palak and rice. For the dal palak, I first prepare the tempering with ghee, cumin seeds, garlic, onion and tomato. Then I added 1 green chili, turmeric, little coriander powder and tamarind paste for khatas. After that, I added chopped spinach and sauteed it lightly. Next, I added soaked tur dal, water and salt and kept it to cook. While the dal is cooking, I started preparing the crispy bhindi. I took half a kilo of bhindi, cut them lengthwise and removed the seeds. Then I added 3 to 4 spoons of gram flour, 2 spoons of rice flour, a little ajwain, some turmeric, half spoon red chili powder, 1/4 spoon garam masala, 2 spoons coriander powder, half spoon amchur powder and salt. After mixing everything, I added a little water and oil so the coating sticks well to the bhindi. The mixture should be thick, not watery. I kept a small portion of bhindi in the air fryer for myself, but since my son prefers the deep fried version, I fried his bhindi in oil. Meanwhile, I also put rice to cook so everything gets ready together. For best results, bhindi needs to be fried patiently on low to medium heat until it turns crispy. Soon the rice, dal and crispy bhindi were ready and my son really enjoyed his lunch. When kids eat happily, it gives us mothers so much satisfaction, isn't it? I skipped lunch today as I wasn't too hungry. I had eaten uttapam well in the morning. After cleaning the kitchen, I will take a little rest. The weather in Bangalore is so pleasant these days. It rains almost every day and the temperature drops, making it quite chilly. Sometimes I even have to shut the doors and windows because of the cold breeze coming in. In my last meal prep video, I had shared a very simple and easy oven bread recipe which you all loved. Some of you commented that you don't have an oven, microwave or air fryer at home but still want to make bread. So last week I tried a no oven bread recipe and it was a big hit in my house. The bread turned out so soft and delicious that my husband and son asked me to make it again. So today I am making that bread once more and sharing the recipe with you all. In a large mixing bowl, add 320 ml warm water. To this, add 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt and 3 tablespoons oil or ghee and mix well. In a separate bowl, measure 490 grams of all-purpose flour. Add the flour to the liquid mixture along with 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. Instant yeast does not need activation, you can mix it directly with the flour. Mix everything well, then with slightly wet hands knead the dough. The dough will be little sticky in texture, which is normal. Cover it and leave it to rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, once the dough has risen, transfer it onto a chopping board or countertop. Dust some flour or lightly grease the surface with oil to prevent sticking. Knead the dough gently, no need to overwork it, just enough to shape it into a round ball. Now take a non-stick pan or kadhai and grease it well with oil or butter. Place the dough in the center of the pan and cover it, allowing it to rise again for 1 hour. After rising, you will see the dough has puffed up nicely. Brush the top with a little melted butter and if you like, sprinkle seeds of your choice. I am adding flax seeds. Next, heat a tawa on the stove. Once it's hot, reduce the flame to medium-low and place the pan with the dough on top of the tawa. Cover it with a lid. Cook for 10 minutes, then reduce the flame to low and cook for another 10 minutes. A total of 20 minutes on the first side. After 20 minutes, carefully flip the bread onto a plate. You will see the bottom is nicely cooked. Now place it back into the pan with the uncooked side facing down. Cook again for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, insert a toothpick to check if it's cooked from inside. Usually the bread gets done in about 40 minutes, but if the toothpick comes out sticky, cook it for another 10 minutes. After you try this recipe a couple of times, you will get a better idea of the exact cooking time. It can vary by 5 to 10 minutes depending on the flame of your stove and the size of your pan. And here it is, our bread is perfectly ready. Transfer it onto a mesh cooling rack and let it cool for 1 hour. After that, slice it and enjoy. Look how soft and fluffy this bread has turned out, and that too without an oven. Now one common question is, can we make this bread using whole wheat flour? My answer would be, if you are making it for the first time, start with all-purpose flour because it's easier to handle and the chances of the bread failing are very low. Once you're comfortable, you can try with the 50-50 ratio, half maida and half wheat flour. And when you get used to the dough texture and cooking timings, you will be able to bake with 100% wheat flour easily. Just remember, when using wheat flour, replace water with warm milk for better results. Also avoid using very old yeast, otherwise the bread won't rise properly. Honestly, it turned out even tastier than oven-baked bread. Do give it a try. And here is my evening snack, avocado and cherry tomato toast made with this bread. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Diwali is just around the corner, so let me know in the comments which topic you would like to see. I will try my best to include them in upcoming Diwali video series. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more such videos. I will see you all next week. Until then, happy homemaking from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.